Look at yourself. Every morning you wake up, you make a silent deal with your own cowardice. You look at the clock, you feel the cold, you feel the fatigue, and you immediately start manufacturing reasons why today is not the day. You tell yourself you're too tired. You tell yourself you'll start on Monday. You tell yourself that the circumstances aren't perfect. Let me fix your delusion. Perfection is a fairy tale for the weak. The universe does not care about your feelings. The market doesn't care that your back hurts, or that you didn't sleep well, or that your childhood was difficult. Nobody is coming to build your empire for you. Nobody cares about the sob story you tell yourself to feel better about your stagnation. Every single excuse you make is just a beautifully wrapped lie designed to keep you safe in the graveyard of mediocrity. You want the crown, but you are terrified of the sweat. Excuses are a highly addictive drug. The more you use them, the more your brain adapts to failure. When you say, "I don't have time," what you are really saying is, "My comfort is more important than my future." When you say, "I don't have the resources," what you are really saying is, "I am too lazy to find a way." Look at the giants. Look at the legends who built dynasties from absolute nothing. Do you think they had perfect conditions? Do you think they waited for the sun to shine and the stars to align? No. They executed in the dark, in the rain, through the heartbreak, and through the bleeding. They understood a brutal truth: you can either have results, or you can have excuses. You cannot have both. The moment you accept an excuse, you sign a contract with your own defeat. You are literally telling the world that your external circumstances are stronger than your internal will. Are you really that soft? The elite mind operates on a protocol, not an emotion. An amateur works when he feels motivated. A professional works when he wants to vomit from exhaustion. Motivation is a scam. It is a cheap spark that dies the moment the room gets cold. Discipline is the oxygen that keeps the fire burning when the world is pitch black. You need to develop a violent intolerance for your own weakness. When that voice inside your head starts whispering, "Take a break, you've done enough," you need to smash it into silence with immediate, brutal action. If your body says no, your mind must say louder, "Watch me." Suffer the pain of discipline today, or suffer the agonizing weight of regret for the rest of your life. Regret is a ghost that will haunt you on your deathbed, showing you the person you could have become if you just stopped whining and started executing. This is your final wake-up call. Stop looking around for sympathy. Sympathy is the currency of losers. Nobody owes you a single damn thing in this life. The world is a brutal arena, and it only rewards one thing: unforgiving, relentless execution. From this second forward, the word "excuse" is deleted from your vocabulary. If you fail, it is your fault. If you win, it is your work. Own the pain, embrace the grind, and work in absolute silence. Wake up early. Move with urgency. Kill the slacker inside you before it buries your potential forever. No more talking. No more planning. No more tomorrow. Stand up, shut your mouth, and execute.